Back to the channel. This is Pratham from Trips to Developers, and today we are going to learn how to remove the Powered by Shopify link from the footer of the Shopify themes. Today we are going to use Debut for reference, but you can use this trick on any theme and it will seamlessly work 100% for sure. If you have any issues with your store, please reach us out at hello@tripsterdevelopers.com and we will be more than happy to help you. Or you can also log on to www.tripsterdevelopers.com and you can contact us via there as well, and one of our team member will definitely help you right away. Alright, let's start with the video. Okay, first thing first is you will first go to the admin panel of the Shopify. Here, how you see the home dashboard of the Shopify admin panel, you have to click on the online store. Once you go there, you will see a live theme appearing in the big box over there. You have to click on the actions and click edit code. Don't get nervous when you get into edit code. There is nothing dangerous. You have just have to follow the tutorial and it will be everything fine. Don't worry about it. So yeah, first thing is you have to search files. You have to click on the search file and type footer. Just because the Powered by Shopify link is in the footer, we have to edit the footer file. Footer.liquid will be under the section folder. You will see footer.liquid, click on it and it will open the file on the right hand side. Once it's done, you have to, if you're using a MacBook, then use Command F, or if you're using a Windows, click on Control F and this search box will appear over here. Over there you have to type powered. Once you write powered, you will see that there is a powered by link appearing over here under the double curly brackets. That's the thing you have to edit. First, we will show you that how you can replace this particular thing with something else. For example, I just want to type all rights reserved and save it. Once I save it, you can go back to the front end and see that it is all rights reserved instead of the powered by link what it was given earlier. Alright, now let's comment it out. I don't want anything like that. I go back to the powered by link again. This is how it was in the first place. What I have to do is in the starting line I will make two curly brackets. In between I will have two percentage signs, same like this. Make a space and in the center you will type comment. And same thing, copy it, and in the last part of this line here, in the first you wrote comment, in the final part you will also write this comment. Just add end before before the comment, so it looks like end comment and before it was comment. So like that you can save this now and the powered by link will be completely removed from the front end. As you can see here, it's removed. No powered by link, no other text is appearing over here. Now, for example, if you want to put some text instead of the powered by link like we did before, but you want to also add a link to it and link it to the new tab of the website. So what you can do here is remove that powered by link, the end comments, what we just wrote down. You have to remove that, it will be back again. You just have to select the powered by link from the curly bracket and like that. Now what I'll do is I want to write, for example, whenever we make a new website for our clients, we do a signature touch on the footer which states that we have developed the website for them. So what we do normally is we type developed with love by Tripster developers. That's how we write it. But I want Tripster developers to link it to my website. What I'll do now is in front of the Tripster developers, I will type A with a bracket, href equals to double column, and in between I'll type my website link, which is https double dot double slash tripsterdevelopers.com, and I close the bracket, and I'll close the bracket from here as well because I have to end the link as well, So I will close this bracket like this, /a and bracket over. Same like this, you can type exactly like this and it will work for sure. Alright, so what I now want to do is one more step ahead, that I don't want to open my link in the same tab. I want to open that link in the new tab. So what I'll do here is I'll type target equals to blank and I'll save this. Let's go ahead and check the front end now. As you can see that I have added my own link, which is developed with love by Tripster developers, and this, as I hover my mouse over, you can see the hover effect, which is converted into a link. My business name has converted into the link. Now I can click on it. This will open in a new tab. This will be opening my website, and that's how you basically do it, so basically what you have to do, let's just recap a little bit, that you have to go to the online store, themes, actions, and you have to edit code, search for the footer file, open the footer file, footer.liquid, and search for the powered button, and you can just replace this text over here and that will work fine. So as you see, I clicked on it and I reached to my website. Over here, as I reach to my website, this is our website. So when you come here, you will have a pop-up saying that you can have top 10 tips for selling on Shopify. Enter your email address and you will receive an ebook from Tripster developers with the top 10 sell tactics on Shopify. So that will really help you a lot. And if you need any help or if you have a project for us, you can get in touch from here and you can fill the contact form and you can reach us out, and one of our representatives will help you out right away. Alright guys, so it's time to wrap up the video. Thank you so much for watching and giving your precious time to us watching this video. We make videos every week. You can also watch our previous videos. This will boost you as a merchant with your Shopify website, and this will help you grow faster than the other merchants who is struggling around with their Shopify platform. So these videos will really help you. Please do subscribe to our channel if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, and please give a thumbs up if you have liked this video. Please share this to your friends. That will really help us a lot. And don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss an update about Tripster developers video. Thank you so much for watching guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.